graduation, our grade 10 moving up ceremony. First and foremost, let us acknowledge first the presence of the people who made this day possible. To our school's division superintendent, Ma'am Joseta B. Carmen, testified. Our school's district supervisor, Ma'am Stepa P. Balbutin, our ever-supportive Principal 1, Mr. Nestor J. Capina, to our sister to the school head and at the same time the faculty president, Mr. Ruel Z. Sena, sir, to our PTA president, Mr. Steve Bulaon, sir, our dedicated teachers and faculty members, our respected DepEd officials, our proud and loving parents, honored guests, and my dear fellow candidates for moving up. Good day to all of you. With our theme, Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. This moment is more than just a ceremony. It is a celebration of every step we have taken, every challenge we have faced, and every dreams that we continue to carry in our heart. From our first day as junior high school students to this very moment, we have grown not only in knowledge, but also in strength, courage, and character. According to Ralph Waldo, the journey is not over when we reach the end. It is complete when we carry its lessons forward. This reminds us that finishing something is meaningful because of what we learn along the way. Today is not just a simple gathering. It is a celebration of perseverance, growth, and dreams that are slowly turning into reality. To our dear teachers, thank you for teaching us patiently and wholeheartedly. You believed in us even when we doubted ourselves. To our parents and guardians, thank you for your unconditional love and sacrifices. Kamu ang among kusog, among inspirasyon sa matag adlaw. And now, to my fellow completers, my classmates, my friends. Grabe no, dali na kayo ang panahon. Mura kagahapon nag-isod pa tawag adjust. Dili pa kayo tanin yung mga suod. But look at us now. We are now completers. We complete this school year with full of memories. The jokes we shared, our laughters, the friendship we built, and the bonds and memories that will forever stay. Nakahuna-huna ta nga dili nato makaya. But look at us now. We stand here today as our completers, carrying not only our achievements, but also the lessons, the struggles, and the growth that shape us into who we are now. This completion is not just a simple ending. It is a symbol of our perseverance, our courage, and our determination to keep going even when things were difficult. Today, let us celebrate not just our achievements, but also our journey, the challenges we faced, the lessons we learned, and the bonds we created. As we move forward, let us not forget where we came from, who we were with, and who we became because of each other. Once again, welcome to this very momentous occasion. May this day be filled with pride, gratitude, and hope for a brighter tomorrow. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Princess.